This is a 2017 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited Peace Officer Edition. This is a special edition bike. This bike is in like new showroom condition. It has 585 original miles on the odometer. It is equipped with the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, mated to the 6-speed transmission. This bike does have a stage 1 performance package on it, which includes the high flow intake, Vance & Hines chrome power duals, and Arlen Ness chrome 4.5 inch MagnaFlow mufflers. This bike sounds great and runs absolutely strong. The color of this Peace Officer Edition is dark blue. There's no dents, no scratches, no chips. This bike is just in perfect condition. The seat looks like new. There's no holes, no tears, no scratches. Being the limited model, it has 2 keys and 2 key fobs, painted inner fairing, cruise control, heated grips. Also has the 6.5 inch boom stereo system, which is AM, FM weather band, has an interface for your phone or your iPod that will not only charge it, but interface into the stereo system that can be controlled on the color touch screen or on the hand controls. It has the redesigned Batwing Fairing. It has the vent to help reduce buffeting not only for the rider but for the passenger. LED headlight, LED driving lights. The front turn signals have been replaced with custom dynamic rings turn signals, which turn amber when you turn them on. LED fender tip light, chrome contrast cut wheels, ABS linked brakes. Absolutely beautiful bike. Premium Harley Davidson chrome luggage rack. LED lights on the tour pack, so you have great visibility in the daylight or at night if you're out riding. Market for a new touring bike and you want a special edition, limited edition bike, take a good look at this 2017 Peace Officer Edition. This would be the perfect bike for one of our peace officers or for anyone just wanting to pay tribute to the men and women in blue that serve to protect. information on how to put this absolutely gorgeous, super low mileage 2017 Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.